The U.S. Federal Reserve has cut interest rates by 25 basis points to a range of 4.25 to 4.5%, boosting developers' confidence to clear unsold inventory. Following this, HSBC Hong Kong announced that starting Friday, December 20th, it's going to lower its Hong Kong dollar prime rate by 12.5 basis points, bringing it down from 5.375% to 5.25%, the second adjustment since November. Meanwhile, the Mori project in Tuen Mun is set to release nearly 100 new units. How strongly will the market respond to its latest price list? Hi, I'm Bobo and welcome back to our weekly recap of Hong Kong real estate. Today we'll be discussing Mori in Tuen Mun, which has been riding its sales momentum with 70 additional units, and how it compares to secondhand homes in the area. Next, we'll check out the new luxury developments leading the market as they continue to record high-value transactions. Finally, we'll look at the developers that submitted bids for the first phase of the MTR Tung Chung East Station tender, which closed on Wednesday. Prior to the recent interest rate cut, which was widely expected by the market and seen as a positive signal for developers, Mori in Tuen Mun took advantage of the momentum by rolling out 70 additional units and plans to release 97 more for sale this Saturday. The units range in size from 291 to 691 square feet. After applying a maximum 26% discount, prices are between $3.121 million and $7.305 million, with discounted prices per square foot from around 9,021 Hong Kong dollars to $11,400. Buyers who opt for a 120-day payment plan without applying for interest-free loans can enjoy an additional 8% cashback discount. With this incentive, the lowest discounted prices range from 2.87 million Hong Kong dollars to 6.72 million dollars, or $8,300 to around 10,500 Hong Kong dollars per square foot, making it comparable to secondhand homes in the area, which are priced between 7,500 Hong Kong dollars and $11,000 per square foot. In the previous sales phase, 97% of buyers involved in 67 transactions total opted for this discount scheme. For instance, a 586 square foot two-bedroom unit in the new price list is only 8% more expensive than the same layout on a lower floor in the earlier phase. After accounting for price differences between units on different floors, the overall pricing remains largely unchanged. With the project now fully completed, strong sales are expected in the upcoming phase. Meanwhile, Montego Bay in Yau Tong is preparing to release 10 additional units for tender this Saturday. These include 3-bedroom and 4-bedroom apartments ranging from 681 to 1,071 square feet. The price of secondhand homes in the area is between 16,000 and 19,000 Hong Kong dollars per square foot. Next, the primary property market has recently recorded several high-value transactions. At St. George's Mansions in Ho Man Tin, 32 units have been sold since the 1st of October. The latest transaction involved a 3-bedroom unit of over 1,800 square feet, which sold for 83.8 million Hong Kong dollars, or around 45,000 Hong Kong dollars per square foot. Another notable deal occurred at Southland in Wong Chuk Hang, where a buyer purchased 2 high-floor 1-bedroom units in Block 2A. One of these, located on the 32nd floor, sold for 9.37 million Hong Kong dollars, or 25,000 Hong Kong dollars per square foot. At the Pavilia Forest in Kai Tak, the latest transaction involved a 2-bedroom unit on the 2nd floor of Block 6, measuring 381 square feet. It sold for 7.76 million Hong Kong dollars, which translates to $20,373 per square foot. Finally, the tender for Phase 1 of the Tung Chung East Station project officially closed today, receiving a total of 4 bids. This project was previously withdrawn from tender a year ago, but its cost and size has since been adjusted and reintroduced to the market. In November, it attracted 33 expressions of interest. The site has a maximum residential gross floor area of about 323,000 square feet and is expected to provide around 600 units. The market value for this site is estimated at 380 million to 480 million Hong Kong dollars, translating to about 1,200 to 1,500 Hong Kong dollars per square foot. Downsizing has helped lower developers' costs, but the plot's location in a less developed part of Tung Chung with limited infrastructure might affect its appeal. Since the Tung Chung railway extension won't open until the end of 2029, the site may struggle to attract interest in the short term, leaving some uncertainty about the tender's outcome. For more information on the secondhand market, stay till the end of this video for this week's recap of secondhand transactions across each district. That's all for this episode. See you in the next.